Well, there's John's Ralliart in today, and it is nice, isn't it? Not so sure about these ankle eaters. What are you doing today, Jason?
Fitting downpipe, Gizfab downpipe, and then sports cat section, which removes the first cat and the second cat, and then removing the aircon.
Removing the aircon. Is removing the aircon a big job, Jason?
It can be a little bit of a big job, because obviously you can't really get down to the bulkhead to take the parts off the bulkhead, so you have to take a few bits and bobs out.
Yeah, out of the way, give you some
room. Front bumper off to be able to get the aircon rad out and stuff like that.
Yeah, excellent. Okay, and then we're mapping it afterwards, Jason. So maybe this afternoon.
Maybe.
Well, let's have a look at the parts, shall we? Okay, so we've got a Scorpion sports cat and then front pipe. Now this is normally a front D cat, but it's got a sports cat in it. This is Gizfab, so Eden's beautiful work as per usual. This is his downpipe, so we'll get that fitted up. And I'm just going to stand in front. I'm going to sit in front of this fire for a bit because it is bloody freezing. So the black Ralliart is back on the dyno, and we have fitted a Scorpion sports cat plus a lovely Gizfab downpipe. That's mated up to a Scorpion system. Richard has opted to advise the customer that a 3-port solenoid at this point is probably the best to get some oomph out of the map at this stage. So 3-port solenoid fitted by our Jason, back on with the Ecutek mapping this morning. So let's see where we go from here. Now, she made 197 brake horsepower last time, so that's what we've got to improve on. So, I don't know. If we make another 10 brake, I'd be more than happy with that. Let's find out. Well, you can hear the fan whirring away as we start to map this. Now, obviously, we've fitted lots of 3-ports in the past, so what we do is we start with a base file for that 3-port so that it's set up correctly, and then we start tuning from that point. The fan's gone off, which means it's completed writing. Richard's been the loo, and now he's ready to sit in the car for the next couple of hours. You got all the boost?
Eh?
You got a button on there that you can press that's just all the boost?
No. Contrary to popular belief, I haven't.
No, there's no magic button, is there?
No, there's definitely no magic button. There isn't a secret menu for when people want to make an extra 20 brake.
No. Some companies can do that though, Rich. Why can't we?
Wow.
When the customer complains, I made 40 brake horsepower less on my forged engine build, can I just... can you just tweak it for another 40 brake? Yeah, we'll tweak that, mate. Can't you do that?
No, I can't. Like I said, I haven't got a magic button.
So there's our finishing point on the Colt, and we are at 214 brake and 222 foot-pounds of torque. Happy with that? It's going to seem very different.
fast.